Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm looking at this Milacolato sterling silver necklace with a cross here. This comes in a nice little gift box here with a little cleaning cloth as well. Okay, so there is the cross right there. This is a stainless steel, sterling silver. The cross is a sterling silver, and the necklace is stainless steel. So that's kind of cool. And then this chain, we have the kind of a thicker, like a Cuban chain type looking one. Pretty cool. If you're into wearing necklaces. Look at that, it's kind of like a thicker like chain necklace. It's got some weight to it. Actually, it's pretty nice. All right, let's put this on here. And a lot of people like to wear the necklaces. I like how this got the little clasp here. It's pretty good sized, so it's easy to kind of just put it on here. Some have like really tiny clasps, and they're really difficult to do if you don't have like any kind of fingernails or whatever. So that clasps on nicely. I think I just put it right on over the top like that. So there we have it. I think it looks pretty good. If you want to keep that reminder of the cross and what was accomplished on that for you. Anyways, my friends, nice little necklace. You can wear it inside shirt, outside the shirt, or whatever. But stainless steel shouldn't, irritate your skin or anything like that. But anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this unboxing and review. It's a nice little gift item. Hope you guys all have a great day out there. And I'll see y'all next time.